Yo guys, welcome to another video. If you are new to the channel, my name is Ballo.trades and I document my journey to become a successful forex trader here on YouTube. So I would appreciate it if you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button and click on the notification bell to notify you when I'm dropping another video. Before we get any further into the video guys, I would like to thank the sponsor of this video, FXGT. FXGT is a regulated broker, so no more trading with unregulated brokers, but then more on them later. So if you're new to this kind of series, so I'm basically working on receiving 100k in funding, be climbing up the ladder. So as for now, I started a free trial. Then if I could pass that free trial, phase 1 and phase 2, I could then purchase a challenge for real, So basically what I'm doing right now is trading on this free trial and see just to see if I could really if I have the abilities to pass a challenge that I bought, So right now trading a 6k challenge account on the Funded Next. So I'm about to update you guys. So I do this kind of updates weekly, so be sure to tune in. So without any further waste of time guys, let's get into the video. As we're about to go through the past trades that I took since the last update, and the last update that I updated you guys on was USD chef trade. So I'm gonna start with that one, then move over to my dashboard. So yeah man, let's get it. So going to my trading journal, like I said, the last trade was on USD chef. All right, so USD chef took the trade September 18th, was a Wednesday. It was a Wednesday, and the stop loss size was 9.5. right? This was a reduced risk entry. I'll show you a screenshot just now. So you guys saw me take this trade on the previous video, on the previous update, right? This was part of my main focus. September 18th, it only took me a day. As you can see, all of my trades only take me like less than a day. That's one thing I'm concerned about, 18th. Then here's the screenshot of the trade. Yeah, here's the screenshot. Yeah guys saw me take this setup. So it eventually went to my TP, and yeah man, we cashed 2% profit on this one. As you can see, it was a win, as you can see. Then this was the screenshot after I took that trade. As you can see, took that TP out. Then the following trade that I took, it was on Thursday, it was the next day. So the stop loss in pips was 30.4, also a reduced risk entry, low risk. It was very low risk. It was part of my main focus pairs for the day. Then I had no scale ins on this one, and September 18th, then it took me nothing more than a day. And here is the screenshot, right? Screenshot was this one. So how this one ended up, it was a break-even trade, right? Price moved 1% into profit, then I moved my stop loss to break even, right? Here's the screenshot after. Now this one actually I closed the trade manually because it was doing some crazy stuff. As you could see, it impulsed down, right, and came back up impulsively. That is one thing I do not want to see when I'm in a trade. So I closed the trade manually, which helped me out because it ended up being a 1% loss if I hadn't taken my stop loss to break even. So the next trade was KJPY. It was a long position, also took the same day. So I only take 2 trades a day, so 14 pips. It was my stop loss. It was a risk entry, low risk, and my main focus. It was part of my main focus. Also took me nothing more than a day. Then this is my trade image for this one. As you can see, it was a nice entry. I'd take this any time of day. Then how this ended up, it was a 0.5% win, right? Here's the screenshot after. As you can see, as price moved up, then it came back down with this next candle. I actually predicted this to happen. If you watch my previous day in a life, I told you guys I don't like candles like this because it tends to retrace the whole move. Then as soon as it retraced the whole move, I closed my trade, which was a 0.5% profit, right? Moving on to the next trade was AUD NZD, which was a loss. It was a short position. Took it the next day, which was a Friday, 20th of September. My stop loss was 7.5 pips, reduced risk, and this trade was invalid, but then I still took it because I was not disciplined enough to let it go, right? It was not a scaling. I forgot to put in the date right there. This was a screenshot of the trade that I took. Everything about this just screams no go. So this is an expanding pattern, but then for me this has no structure to it, so I shouldn't take it, but then I took it anyway because again I was not disciplined, right? Which eventually took me out for 1% loss. We had that, as you can see, tap me in and immediately went and tap me out, but it's okay, we learned, right? So the next trade was actually yesterday. Took 2 trades yesterday, GBP NZD, September 23, 2024, which was a Monday yesterday. The stop loss in pips was 25 pips. Then took the reduced risk on this. Then was a low risk main forecast. Then this one was a scaling. Now, this one was a scaling from this one. As you can see here, GBP NZD. So this latest one was a scaling from this. Right, the scaling is when I put a position, when I scaling into another position while I still have the previous position running on the same pair, right? 23 September, which was yesterday. This was a screenshot. Actually, this one, guys, I should have just set my TP because this was a nice setup. But take this any time of day. This is a break even trade, 0, as you can see. This is how it ended up. It almost went to my TP zone, but then went back. It actually hit my TP zone, but because I hadn't set it, it actually did some crazy things, right? Then came back to hit my stop loss, which was at break even. I could have managed this trade to the best of my ability, but I didn't. I think I lack discipline, but it's okay, right? Then the next one we head into is okay, how do I get this to go that side? Yeah, the same thing with the GBP, as I told you. There's a GBP NZD trade, 23 September, the same day, the same pair. As you can see, this one I saw a continuation that had a middle section. Then I took on the break, which led to a 1% loss. As you can see here, took me in and tapped me out, but it's alright. So that's the update that I have for you guys on this trade. So let's go over to my dashboard, right? Before I go to my dashboard, guys, I want to tell you guys about FXGT. FXGT.com is a regulated broker, so no more trading with unregulated brokers. So this broker, guys, has one of the best leverages in the game, which is a 1:5,000 leverage, right? So when you deposit your first deposit, you have a welcome bonus of 50%. So if you deposit $100, you'll get an additional $50 on your account, right? Anything after that deposit, your first deposit, you'll get a 25% unlimited loyalty bonus. So every time you deposit into the account, it will give you 25%. So if you keep on depositing $100, you keep on receiving $25 on top of that, right? So this has 0 swaps, seamless trading, and this has a minimum trading $5 minimum deposit. So if you only have $10 or $5, it's okay, you can deposit it. You know, one of the best in the game. And as you can see, 1:5,000 leverage. But then if you're new to this broker, you'll only use 1:2,000 until you have 8 closed trades. So they want to see your consistency within their broker. You know, if you're living anywhere and anytime you experience a problem, they have 24/7 support system. And another thing that I want to mention is the asset classes that I have. They have forex, cryptocurrencies, synthetics, cryptos, metals, energies, equity indices, and stocks. Everything you can trade is over here, guys. So click the link in the description and make sure you sign up with FXGT. Moving on to my dashboard, guys. Moving on to my dashboard, as you can see, I have an active free trial account, which I'm down 1.5% on it. And before I go into the video, guys, I just want to say I think I'm a break-even trader. At this point, I think I'm a break-even trader because I'm not good at winning. At the same time, I'm good at not losing, you know. So I think I'm a break-even trader, which I'm happy about, because you know, we go from the losing phase, break-even, then profitability. So I think I'm just a step away from profitability. So yeah, man, let's go to my dashboard just to show you guys what's happening in here. This is a 6K account. As you can see, my account is a drawdown 5914, right? So if I was 2% down, it would have been 5880, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm not 2% in drawdown. I'm just $85 in drawdown, which is like 1.5% if I'm not mistaken. So let's go over to my trading overview just to show you guys my things. So just briefly showing you guys, as you can see, my balance, my equity, my balance, my profitability, my average winning trade, average losing trade. It's not even 1%, as you can see. Average trades, well, the trades that I took so far on the accounts are 9 trades, lots 5.59, right? And a risk to reward is like, I'm not sure about this one, I can't understand this. And my win rate so far is 44%, which is good. You know, if I go for 1:3 risk reward ratio, then I would be profitable, you know. So loss rate 55%. The best trade that I have was $120, which was the USD chef trade. Then the worst trade is 75% loss. So this one is not supposed to be 75. I don't know, I must have miscalculated my lot size, right? As you can see, these are the trades that I took. And this is the highest profit that I've made on USD chef. As you can see, 122.38.36 on USD chef. It was a sell, as you can see. So let's go over to my equity curve. So my equity curve was looking like this. Immediately went into drawdown, right? Stayed at drawdown for a bit, then went up again, then stayed at close to break even a bit. Then now, since I took the previous loss, we are here now. So anything from here, I believe, will be going up, right? So yeah, guys, that is the update that I have for you guys on this account. So tuning into the next series, guys, we know we're going up, guys. I'm just showing you the realities of trading. You make a loss, you make profit, but then since I'm yet unprofitable, I'm at break even, you know. I'm just showing you the realities of trading, guys, because there's a lot of BS out there, guys. There's a lot of people that make trading easy, but then I'm showing you the real side of trading. So if you want to criticize me, guys, it has to be something constructive. I want constructive criticism. I don't want you guys sharing negative comments saying you can't trade. For now, we can say that I can trade, but then I'm not yet profitable, you know. So if you guys are going through the same, guys, I'm just showcasing my journey, showing you the ups and downs and everything in between. So I would appreciate it, guys, if you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and click on the notification bell to notify when I'm dropping another video. And make sure, guys, you sign up with the FXGT broker. Links are in the description. And yeah, man, tune into the next video.